What's the meaning of certified check? Certified check. Certified check.
Certified check. Certified check. A certified check is a type of check where the issuing bank guarantees the funds, ensuring that there are sufficient funds available in the account to cover the amount of the check. The bank puts a hold on the funds, and the check is marked as certified. This provides the recipient with assurance that the check will not bounce due to insufficient funds. Once the check is certified, the funds become unavailable to the account holder until the check is cashed or deposited. Certified checks are often required for large purchases, such as buying a house or a car.